time to get this very easy personal loan with up to $50,000, and you know what? With no impact on credit score. Yes, when you apply for it, there will be no impact to your credit score. We are going to give you each and every detail about this very important video, so don't worry about it, because this $50,000 loan could be yours if you follow some very easy steps. But make sure you watch this video till the end, because we are going to tell you all the perks, pros and cons of this loan, how you can apply this, as well as what are the benefits of getting it. And please remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video whenever we upload that. And please smash the like button, as it really helps the channel. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So finally, here is the opportunity that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from Upstart. Yes, Upstart's been here from years, and yes, we have also experienced their one of the loans that we have taken in the past, and yes, it was very easy, very convenient, and we got the money in 2 days. We still remember, and we will not forget the experience, so thank you, Upstart. Remember, before starting the video, we would like to tell you that this is not a financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research before applying for any of the credit product. Remember that what Upstart says, it says get a smarter loan. Yes, this is indeed a smarter loan, and we will tell you why. And the great thing and we love about this is checking your rate will not affect your credit score at all. As mentioned earlier in this video, when you check your rate, it will not impact your credit score. Means you will be able to know that either you're going to get the loan or not. If yes, and you click on yes, I want the loan, if they approve you for it, then they're going to do a hard pull. So make sure that you keep this in mind. If you don't want a hard inquiry on your credit, so please make sure you don't click on I agree or I accept. Well, moving on and tell you that what would you like to do when it comes to the loan. Remember, you can consolidate your debt, you can refinance your car, you can fund your business or something else. Means you don't have to tell them why you need the loan for. And I literally hate telling anyone that why I need the money. Remember, according to them, this is simple, fast and fair personal loans. Personal loans through Upstart provide clear terms, quick funding and hassle-free online loan experience, and we have experienced it personally, so we can definitely shout out for that. Well, how much can I borrow? You can get a personal loan from $1,000 to $50,000. Well, still I remember that we have taken $5,000 when it comes to the loan, and it was very smooth process. Well, they also tell you about the personal loan terms. Well, online loan through Upstart comes in 3-year minimum or 5-year minimum loan. I still remember I paid my loan in full even before the term, probably like in 6 months or so. So I got I think there was no termination fee, no prepayment fee, and what I love about that, there was no penalty at all, and the interests were right there. Means I paid the amount that I've taken with very less APR. What are the risks? Personal loan APR ranges from 6.5% to 35.99%. It says it's very fast and hassle-free process. We'll tell you how you can do that. Well, first you need to get your rate. You need to fill out a form and check your rate in 5 minutes only. Then you can get approved. Most borrowers are instantly approved, such as what we did. And then get your funds. 99% of loans funds are 1 business day after signing. Yes, you can get it in 1 business day. And yes, I still remember this screen right here, and I loved it. Well, if you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comments below. But if you click on check your rate, it will take you to a screen like this. For example, you need we have taken 5,000, right? So I'm gonna put 5,000. And why I need the loan? Well, I don't want to tell them, right? So my reason is not listed, right? And the proceed with the loan, proceed without a purpose. Yes, proceed without a purpose. Then they're gonna ask you for your first name, last name, suffix, and they're gonna ask you for your employment quotient. If you don't have any, of course, don't worry about it. You can fill it out, whatever it is, and they will tell you that either you're approved or not when they assess your application. And it happens in seconds, believe me. Like, it takes 5 minutes to fill out the application. It's very very easy. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. We will see you in the next video with an amazing video. Yes, another amazing video, because we upload videos every single day on Credit OAKS channel for you. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next video very soon. Make sure you subscribe, hit on the bell icon, like this video and share this video with your loved ones. Take care.